Hi everyone, back with an astounding video for you. You can now swap face with one click for free. How awesome is this? And the results are flawless. It's so quick and simple, you won't believe it. Pretty cool, right? No need to train models or pay like in Midjourney. Don't get me wrong, Midjourney rocks, but you need to pay and use Discord. Here it's online, free and so quick. Have a look at the results. Angelina as a beautiful queen she is. Or she can even be a brave comic superhero. Ronaldo with a trendy beard. Or with another cool hairdo. Messi as mighty Superman or a merciless Viking. Scarlet as a mermaid or fearless Wonder Man. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Let's learn how. Step 1. Upload a photo. Now, choose and upload the photo you want to swap and the one you want to swap it for. Download it. That's it. Unbelievable, right? I love this. You can also use one of their models, male or female, your call. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just try it out. You'll be amazed. Tell me what you think of it in the comments. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best tools out there. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.